In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WooCommerce into your WordPress site. If you're ready to transform your WordPress website into a fully functional online store, you've come to the right place. We'll go step by step to make sure you understand each part of the process, so let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard. You can usually find this by going to your domain.com/wp admin. Once you've arrived at the login page, enter your credentials to access the dashboard. This area serves as the control center for your entire WordPress site, allowing you to make the necessary changes and updates. Once you're in the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options and menus presented to you. Now, let's move on to the core part of this tutorial, adding WooCommerce to your site. Look at the left-hand side of your dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Hover over it and you'll see an option that says Add New. Click on that and it will take you to a page where you can search for new plugins to add to your WordPress site. In the search bar on the top right, type in WooCommerce. As you type, the search results will start to populate. What you're looking for is the official WooCommerce plugin developed by Automatic. It's important to ensure you're selecting the official one, as it guarantees compatibility and support for your WordPress build. Once you've located the WooCommerce plugin, you'll notice a button labeled Install Now. Click on this, and the system will automatically download and prepare WooCommerce for installation. The download and installation process usually takes just a few moments, so sit tight and wait until you see the option to activate the plugin. All right, we're almost at the finish line. After the installation is complete, you'll see a new button appear that says Activate Plugin. Click on this to enable WooCommerce on your WordPress site. Activation is a crucial step as it turns on the functionality of WooCommerce and allows you to start configuring it to suit your specific needs. Congratulations! You've just integrated WooCommerce into your WordPress site. You're now empowered to start setting up your online store, adding products, and customizing the experience to help your business grow. Make sure to explore the WooCommerce settings to tailor the platform according to your requirements. That wraps up our tutorial on integrating WooCommerce. Remember, the world of e-commerce is rich with potential, and WooCommerce is your gateway to tapping into it. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Check out the rest of our channel for more tips and guides to enhance your website. Until next time, happy selling!